Look at our AG trade. I told you to move beyond it and beyond that imbalance level, but that's not our focus here. So very quickly, I said we are going to be learning market structure, how to identify highs and lows in the market. I believe strongly that if you can identify highs and lows in the market, then it's easier for you to make a decision, a trading decision. And it's easier for you to be successful in trading because you have learned how to identify highs and lows in the market. And I said at the end of this class, we are definitely going to know how to identify highs and lows in the market. We're going to understand market sentiments, how to allow market to breathe. We're going to also understand in intra time frame trading. It's called intra time frame analysis. So I'm going to teach you that also. And we have just about 30 minutes for this. All right. So just follow me. Please avoid every distraction. Don't pick any calls. Just focus on this so you can get better. All right. So let's assume this is 4-hour time frame. And on 4-hour time frame, we see a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. And now this high is apparently equal to this high. And it can either decide to go down or go up. You're not yet sure, but that's not where we're coming from. I'm here to explain to you what happens inside a candle. What happens inside a candle. So if on the 4 hours we are seeing this, now let's pick out. Follow me well, please. If on the 4 hours you are seeing this, let's pick out this circle, this part here. Let's pick out this little uptrend here and break it down. On the 1 hour for this uptrend, you'll be seeing something like this. On the 1 hour, you see something like this, maybe a little consolidation for a while. That same little swing that is on the 4 hours might be something like this. Then you now see up, now see a little down to retest this other block. You now see it go higher again. So on the 1 hour, this might be the structure. Meanwhile, on the 4 hours, it's only giving us like 4 or 5 candles going up at the same time. What happens here is inside this whole swing, you can decide to be buying, selling because you're in consolidation. You can decide to sell because you saw a breakout and you know it's to come and retest this other block. So you're selling to buy. You can decide to wait for the other block and buy. You can decide to do many things inside this. But yeah, if you're looking at it from the 4-hour point of view, you're going to be seeing only an uptrend. And inside this little consolidation on the 1 hour, on the 15 minutes, you're going to be seeing something like this now. Maybe an uptrend, now see it down, now see a double top, let's assume. Then now see a downtrend, break of structure, change of character, downtrend. Then now see a little consolidation. All of this is still within that consolidation on the 1 hour. On the 15 minutes, you can see something like this. And now see uptrend, now see downtrend, now see uptrend. This obviously now go up and touch that place, now come back down again to this place again. Then maybe Niels will now push it up here. The next candle now move it down here immediately. So you can be seeing different anomalous movements in the market. All of this little movement now is the consolidation we are seeing on the 1 hour. On 15 minutes, this is how it is appearing. Please follow me very well. On the 4 hours, it is just showing us upward movement. On the 1 hour, it's showing us something like this: consolidation, breakouts, retest, uptrend. On the 15 minutes, it's showing us uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, uptrend, downtrend, news. So on the 15 minutes, you can now do everything and anything. Guess what? That news effect on the 1 minute time frame on the 5 minute time frame might be a downtrend, and you'll be trying to sell, and then instead of you to sell, price news will just move the price up like this. They move it down like this, they move it up, they move it down, they move it up again. Then now move it down, right back. Move it up here, now move it down, right back. All of this can be what will happen on 5 minutes. All of this is not your business. But understanding it will help you know when to allow market to breathe, when to enter, when to opt out. If it's making sense so far, drop sense in the chat. If it's making sense so far, drop sense in the chat. If it's making sense so far, drop sense in the chat. That's why this is textbook example, we'll still go into practicals, trust me. But if it's making sense so far, drop sense in the chat. I don't see a reason why we are 40 something and I'm seeing less than 20 cents. No, that does not show your readiness to learn. It's making sense so far, drop sense in the chat. If it's not making sense so far, write, let's say you don't understand what I explained, write 555. You don't understand. If you understand, write 777. Before we proceed, quickly. You understand 5, you don't understand 555, you understand 777, quickly. I see more 7s than 5. I've seen 1 5. However, Jesus taught us to leave the 99. Catch that one. So if you're my ID, I'm going to attend to you now. This is an uptrend. We are trying to break down this uptrend. We have not gone to the downtrend and uptrend again. But this single uptrend can have it can't do on the 4 hours. When I get to the practical, real practical, this is just textbook example. Practical, you understand. But it can do on 4 hours. 1 4-hour candle means 4 1-hour candles, which can move in any way, so long it will start and end where the 1 hour and where the 4 hours is directing. You can try to start anywhere, do anything, so long it will end there. No problem. If you now see 5 4-hour candles, that means 20 1-hour candles. Oh, I don't know if someone will understand. 20 1-hour candles times 4 is going to mean 80 15 minutes candles. 80 15 minutes candles means they can decide to move anyhow. They can decide to consolidate for 50 candles and let the remaining 30 be what will move. No problem. So I'm just telling you that in a candle, you can see different movements in the market. Different movements within that candle. Different movements within that candle. So long it will start and end at the same place. So that is market structure. If you understand now, if you might put 77, if you don't understand, put 55. Just be honest. If you don't still understand, put 555. You understand if you might put 777. Oh, amazing, amazing. So you see why it was needed to catch that, to leave the 99 for the 1. All right, so let's proceed. Thank you, Jesus, for wisdom and insights. So I believe everybody now understand clearly. This is the trend we are looking at. In this trend, there are highs and lows in the market. In a trend, there are highs and lows in the market. Write that down. An uptrend is not complete until a higher high is formed. Write that. An uptrend is not complete until a higher high is formed. Vice versa. A downtrend is not complete until a lower low is formed. Why am I using the highs and the lows? Because an uptrend can give us a lower low, still a higher high, and it becomes an uptrend. What do I mean? We have something like this: up, up, double bottom, up, up. Then there's another block lying down here. It's now come and clear out all of this. This is change of character, break of structure. In your mind now, it has changed the trend. LOL. It's just pump down to this other block and boom, give us another move up. Guess what? It is still an uptrend. Because this is low, this is high, this is low, this is high. So what validates an uptrend is the highs. What validates a downtrend is the lows. What validates an uptrend is the highs. What validates a downtrend is the lows. So anytime in the market you come, If you're seeing an uptrend, what you're looking out for are highs. If you're seeing if you're seeing an uptrend, rather, what you're looking out for are the highs. If you're seeing a downtrend, what you're looking out for is the lows. That does not mean we should be negligent to the rest. Because every single thing in the market tells a story. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Every single thing in the market tells a story. You see, these things I'm sharing with you are things that I didn't know when I started trading. I'm honest with you. Made me lose over $130,000. Yes, made me lose over $130,000. I'm sharing with you so you don't have to lose even a penny. Yes, you still pay for your learning. You pay your school, you pay your broker, but you won't lose. Me, I lost because it was an information that if I had gotten a mentor, I would have not lost. So I'm giving information that will help you avoid the process I've been through. I've stayed within this environment, thank God, by God's grace, a couple of years now. And one thing I know of a shorty is if you understand highs and lows in the market, you're going to be much better, trust me. You're going to be much better if you understand highs and lows in the market. If it's making sense so far, right sense. If it's not making sense, who's 555? Then tell me where you're lost and I'll come again quickly. We don't have time. We don't have time. Because now I want to move into actual examples. We are done with textbook examples. You say over sense. Perfect sense. So nice. All of you are shouting perfect sense. Let me drop my Bitcoin wallet. You tell me thank you with Bitcoin. Don't tell me thank you with over sense. All right. Value. So now let's go into actual examples, real life examples. I said, don't be afraid when you see this. It won't go below it. If it goes below it, to just play around the zone. This is over 30 minutes now. Our price gone below it. No, trust your trade. Anyways, let's look at actual examples. And I would like to use another currency so that our eyes will not be on this AJ. I want us to take our eyes off AJ. Let's look at JPY basket first. Okay, it's at the other block. So JPY basket will fall now, and that will make our trade to buy. So guys, expect this to push JPY basket down to clear like this point here. At least the lowest it should come to is here. Coming here before it might even, let me see the 1 hour trend. Oh, forget, it's going to clear it. It's going to fall down further. Because of the wicks it's leaving below. As many didn't leave wicks below, then it will bust it, but it left wicks below. And wicks tell a story, so it's going to fall down. Expect your AJ to buy. If you're on AJ buy, guy, don't sleep, but that does not mean you should risk all your money. Remember, whatever happens, you're 100% responsible. If you tell me Boss Kenry made you lose money, or you tell me Coach David made you lose money, I'll ask you if I'm done that, open your MT4 to type whatever it is you typed. So another day I'll teach you how to trade in balance, because I've been trading in balance with at least 4 months now. And within the last 4 months, I've not had any negative story with imbalance. Yeah, so I've been trading in balance for a while now. Let's look at something else. An example, start on 4-hour candle. So, the way GBP USD just use and recover, pay me, sure. Let's see our GBP USD. We're expecting it to sell somewhere now. Where's that trend line? We have our chart. Where's the trend line? Okay, it has touched our trend line. Look at it, touched our trend line. Sorry. You can see my screen now. It touched our trend line now, and now it is rejecting. Touched our trend line, confluence with the other block that we are looking at. So this guy is going to fall. Let me see what the 15 minutes is doing. Maybe we can even catch GU sell also, because this sell is bigger than that EJ and that AJ buy. I'll be honest with you. No longer waited for this sell. Sorry, please. Remember, we did this analysis. He said it either bust down, move up, or break out and move up. He broke out, moved up. I don't know how many of you took it, but if you took it, how many pips is that? Break out of this zone, move up. That's about 190, 100 and what? 197 pips. Wow. 197 pips. And I didn't take it. I don't like wasting pips. So we are seeing something like M formation. This is first leg of the M. It's coming for second leg. At the second leg, we should look for an entry. Let's look for 3 minutes or 5 minutes order block. See the other block here, but I don't like it because it's above the trend line. However, the trend line is a zone because it's a daily trend line. So there's an order block here. Price might come there. If it doesn't come there, there's no problem. We'll look at imbalance. You have two choices. So either trade the other block or trade the imbalance. Two choices, either trade the other block or trade the imbalance. And where's the imbalance in this whole place now? I'm saying something. I hope it's not it. It is it though. 15 minutes. So we have 3 possible zones to enter. I'm honest with you. You have 3 possible zones to enter this GU. And because it's going to be a big sale, I think those 3 zones is the risk is worthy, is risk enough. It's a worthy risk I'm willing to take. Because this is the imbalance here. And I was avoiding it because price is very close to imbalance level. However, let's look at structure now. Since imbalance is not giving us what we are looking at. So market structure on the 3 minutes, this is high, low. This is here was where the change of character occurred. Came down, move up, break of structure. This is the break of structure. Okay, yes, this is the entry. The reason this is the entry is because the break of structure candle was what left the imbalance. So this is where it will start selling from. Let's pull out our Fibonacci quickly. GU sell. It's a massive sell, by the way. But it's not up to 50% now. Okay, wait. I'm drawing from the wrong place. Imbalance. So it's directly on 50%. I don't think it's bad to take it. So we can clear out this place. It's a zone that's been tapped. Is there any 1 minute order block? No. There is no 1 minute order block. So anywhere from here is good enough to sell. Price cannot come up here again. It's a lie. If it comes up there, then I'll sell from the trend line. I'll be honest with you guys. Ignore this. I'll be very honest with you. You have 2 possible places. Either you enter here, excuse me. If you're entering here, SL 20 to 30 pips, no more than that. Or you wait for it to come to the trend line. It might not come to the trend line. So you have 2 possible entries. I will not type it out on the group. I will not. You have 2 entries, 2 possible entries. Either you enter upon the trend line or you enter upon this liquidity. Okay, see the imbalance here, original imbalance. Sorry. I was wondering imbalance cannot be wide like that. See the original imbalance here. But this is the zone apart from this week. So yes, it's either sell from this imbalance that we are currently, or to come to this other block, rather to this trend line. That's for GU. If you know how to trade it, I promise you nothing less than 500 pips. If you know how to trade it. If you don't know how to trade it, ignore it. Don't force it. Thank you. Let's not be distracted. Let's go back to what we're doing. Can you still hear me? Can everybody still hear me? Can everybody still hear me? All right, amazing. Someone is trying to call me, and the person's call is disturbing my class. Oh, God. You can still hear me. Okay, so we would finish this tomorrow. However, I want you to understand the reason they are calling me is because I came here for a conference. So, and I'm one of the supervisors, and they've been calling me. I'm supposed to resume by 9, but I didn't go because if I had gone there, we wouldn't be able to have our class by 10. So I told them to give me till 11, and now this is about 11. So we need to end in another 4 minutes. So I'll be faithful to my word. However, what you do as an assignment, we'll finish this tomorrow. I'm sorry. And I'll upload it on the YouTube in case you need to go back to watch it to know how to enter. I'll be able to do the analysis I'm talking about, right? But I want you to also give you an assignment to do lows and highs in the market, how to identify lows and highs in the market. So what you're going to do is to, what time frame is it good for? Getting a valid high and low. A valid high and low, I've told you any time frame works. The only thing is, if you are not a swing trader, start from 4 hours. Just start from 4 hours. So in one big movement in the market, you can see different retracements. Okay, let's pick this 1 hour candle. At least this movement we are seeing to the upside from year to year is where we are picking. What is it showing on the 2 hours? You saw consolidation here. Do you see consolidation on the 4 hours? No, but we saw it on the 2 hours. Let's go to 1 hour. So you now understand what I was drawing earlier. On the 1 hour, you see a downtrend here. That consolidation on the 2 hours was a downtrend actually. Are you seeing what I'm saying? You see a huge spike up here. At least these are another valid points for GU. If GU did not want to sell at all, it will sell to clear this imbalance. See an imbalance here. There's an imbalance here. The price needs to come and fill up. So at least if that will be our TP1. Our TP1. But that's by the way. You see a downtrend there. Do you see a downtrend on the 4 hours? No. Market candlestick anatomy. Now you see series of downtrends, series of uptrends, series of downtrends, series. Are you seeing uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, downtrend, uptrend, consolidation, downtrend, consolidation, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, consolidation, downtrend. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So in a candle, you see different things. Now your ability to interpret properly, starting from your 4 hours or your higher time frame, is priceless. Your ability to interpret and deduce what the market is doing is priceless. What did I say? Your ability to deduce what the market is doing is priceless. Your ability to deduce what the market is doing is priceless. So I'll give you an assignment.
Before you run off, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know you're still going to run off. One of the things I think maybe we will be doing is because what is a possible area the market needs to break that it will eventually drop crazy?
On GU?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see 1 hour. Say if you break this level, it will fall crazily.
Yeah. Because I'm thinking Now, because one thing I want us to anchor well in our session or our community is we're analyzing and training professionals to know how to market execute. But while they are doing so, there are those who don't know the tips of market execute. Maybe we could give them the orders like a sell stop. If this breaks this area, let's put a sell stop. All right. Let's put a buy stop, kind of like to get them in that environment in their other accounts so they could also capture the trade. That's my thoughts that I'm thinking.
Okay, sir, let's do it now. So far we have seen 1,000 plus pips on GU. I said hello.
Your sound is breaking.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. They're calling me. Now they said I should. Oh, good.
Network is affecting me.
Can you hear me actually?
Okay, yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, they've been calling. Sorry. So let's just wrap this up now. So far we've seen 1,000 plus pips, and we are looking at least 500 pips sell, which is towards this level, and it's very feasible because we saw a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, breakouts, and we have not seen a retest. So I'm expecting a retest. All right. I hope people are seeing this first level, second key level, third touch, breakouts, no retesting now. And then there's liquidity, there's imbalance pricing to feed. So to feed the imbalance and tap our 500 p before it moves up again. So what are we going to do in this point? If the price, honestly speaking, I'll be very honest with you guys. All right, I'll be very, very honest with you guys. With the candlestick anatomy and with the candlestick pattern I'm looking at, I will not advise you to wait for it to break below this place. Breaking below this place is good enough to sell, but it's a lot of pips you're going to leave on the table. If it breaks below this place, it's going to be perfect to sell, right? However, we are leaving a lot of money on the table if you do that. That's break and close below. Please, not just break. Break and close.
Right. So this trade, from what I've learned, all right, is this trade, it has to be a market execution, fam. All right. If this market, so it is not, don't bother yourself if you're not at this level. Okay. It means you have to watch this trade, set an alarm at the areas it's giving right now. So the key areas for the market to break is around the
1.12980 and below.
Yeah.
No, so the perfect place will be break and close below 1.12816.
All right. So I don't know if Oluwatoyin is here. You could actually type it out. If the market breaks 1.12816 area and closes below that area, it should
on
be
the
a
1
market.
hour or 4 hour time frame.
Yeah, on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. So someone can write those instructions down so that if you want to take this trade, take it in your demo account so that you practice how to execute. All right, market execution. Don't take it on your main account.
Demo account, Jesus, don't waste pips. So
no, when I say demo account, we are all funded account at demo account actually.
Okay, yeah. But at least
so I'm talking about the main account. Yeah, there is a main account for the pending orders. Then there is your account, other accounts, that you practice. Some of you have more than one account. So if you want to tally with the discipline account, let that account be for the discipline account. We know that everybody gets in and get the same result. But if you have another account, all right, that is where you get to take all of this trade. And one thing I would advise, minimize your risk. Okay, so you could use a 0.5, just so that you can get more trade, because not just one trade that is going to be called. All right, you may call more than one trade. You can't use 1% on all of the trades. So if there are 3 trades, you could divide 1% into 3 trades and take. You don't want to lose more than 2% in an account in a day. That's the discipline. All right. So it's really the discipline that matters, not even the trade ideas, not the technicality, not the strategy. It's the discipline of application. And I want everybody to understand that. Thank you, bro.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. So if it breaks below this key level and close the body, then it's good to sell heavy. It's going to sell heavily. However, me, because I'm seeing this liquidation, I want to see on the 1 hour weak rejections, at least 3 or 2. I've seen one. Let me see 2 more within this zone. Weak rejections in this zone. 2 or 3 weak rejections in this zone, and I'm going to stack my sales. I'm going to shoot it with bazooka. 2 or 3 weak rejections on a 1 hour time frame in this zone, then that's all. That's all. If you're a conservative trader, wait for a break below. If you're a very harsh trader like me, 2, 3 week rejections on the 1 hour time frame in this zone, we are in. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, family. At least you understand what is market structure. I'll go in depth in the next class because of many activities that we need to sort out. So, for example, I was teaching something. I said price can break below, but it's still an uptrend. Look at this. Do you see this? It broke below. This was a liquidity. It broke below to this other block and continued upward movement. It's still an uptrend. It is not a downtrend. Same here also, broke below. So you need to understand all these things, and you understand them by practice. However, stay with the video, this class that we just did. Go and watch it at least. I will advise you 3 times. Do you know Ken Remo's videos when he was in IM? I watched each of them 21 times. It sounds funny, but it's the truth. I watched each of them 21 times. All the favorite sessions, they were about 40 something or 50. I watched all of them 21 times each. It took me over 4 months. I watched all of them 21 times each because I wanted to understand HFX. And funny enough, after watching it, I understood HFX. I didn't even know how I understood it. I just understood it. So there's a spirit that you are connecting to when you stay long with me. By God's grace, it's the spirit of excellence. I've never done anything not excellent. I've never. So if you stay with the videos, just watch it 5, 6, 10. Just start with at least 3 times. At least 3 times. Watch them over and over again. If you don't know Forex, you can tell everybody that the Biletron is a scam. Big scam. Big scam, and I'll be happy to hear that. Very basic, exactly. That's the aim. Because a lot of people said my classes are quite advanced, so we need to take it step after another for the newbies. Thank you so much, everybody. If you have questions, please ask on the WhatsApp group. I won't be able to take any questions here because I'm running. Have a great day. Type on the WhatsApp group what you've learned. You know how we do it. Bye-bye.